In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up GitHub Repo with GitHub Desktop. We'll walk through creating a brand new repository on your computer using GitHub Desktop, keeping everything simple, clear, and organized. By the end, you'll have a local repo ready for your project, complete with sensible defaults that make version control smoother from day one. Start by opening GitHub Desktop. This is the visual companion to Git on your machine, designed to make common tasks quicker and less error-prone. With the app open, look to the menu bar at the top and click File. This menu is where you'll find actions related to repository management and general app controls. From the File menu, choose New Repository. This opens a setup window where we'll define the key details for your new project. Think of this as the blueprint that tells GitHub Desktop what to create and where to put it. Begin by entering the repository name. Choose something descriptive and concise so it's instantly recognizable later. Many teams prefer lowercase with hyphens or underscores instead of spaces. Avoid special characters to keep things compatible across tools and systems. Next, add a short description. This is optional but highly recommended. A clear one-liner that explains what the project does or the problem it solves helps you and collaborators understand the purpose at a glance. It's a small investment that pays off when you return to the project weeks or months later. Now choose the local path. This is the folder on your computer where Git will store the repository. Pick a stable location you'll remember, such as a dedicated projects directory. It's best to avoid temporary folders or locations that move around. If you use cloud sync tools, make sure they handle developer files well or keep repos outside those sync folders to prevent unexpected conflicts. Before creating the repo, select a gitignore template. The .gitignore file tells Git which files to ignore, like build artifacts, system files, or large caches. Pick the template that matches your tech stack, such as Node, Python, or Unity. This keeps your history clean and your repository lightweight. Choose a license if you plan to share the code. Licenses define how others can use, modify, and distribute your work. For open source, common choices include MIT for permissive use or GPL for stronger sharing requirements. If you're unsure, you can leave this blank for now and add one later after confirming your organization's policy. When everything looks good, click Create Repository. GitHub Desktop will set up the folder, initialize Git, and add the files you selected. You're now ready to start building, track changes, and collaborate confidently.